What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing this Cyclops Mobile Innovations third brake light. First, you want to clear out the any map you have in there, so you can have access to this side of it. So make sure you're being safe when you pull out these tabs. I almost pulled out both the white and the black tab. Just make sure you only pull out the black tab. Next, you're going to want to locate the plug that's on the tail light. Just go ahead and plug it. New hardware kit. Just go into the new one. Just want to go into the gray one. I'll show you right now. So just like that, now I'm going to start working on putting the line down to the tail, the brake light. So on the inside, directly under this one, you're going to follow all the way down to this hole right here. It'll have a cap on it. I've seen other YouTubers drill a hole in through here so that they can put the line through, so there's no water leaks or anything like that. So just like that, just make a hole in the middle so you can run your wire through there. So there's also two sides to the wire. So I've seen other YouTubers put this wire side into the tail light because they can hide it behind there, and this line will go down to the light. I just added the plug onto it so that I can put this down there and the hole can be patched up. So once you put it into the hole, it'll go straight down to the ground. Even when you do take off the plug, you just push it in, it'll fall straight to the ground. So you don't have to worry about that. So go ahead and feed that in there. All right, so the wire did come down all the way. I did take this off already. If you got big hands like me, you know, I'm a big guy, good luck down there. Right here, you'll have to stick your hand in to get through there. It's not that much of a gap, but I mean, I got through it. You just gotta push on these two tabs on top and then it'll pop right out. So just push them down from the inside and tilt forward and it'll come out. So next thing I gotta put in is this clamp. It's gonna go in, it's gonna go right here in this corner right here on this hole. I'll show you right now. Just like that, just so the that part's gonna stick out like this inside. So this is gonna go on the passenger side. Next thing to put in is this bracket. It's gonna go in just like this. All right, so tabs are on the bottom, two bolt holes are on the top and the bottom, two side bolts on the side to ensure that it gets locked in, and it'll go in just like this. So you have the hole on the side, on this side that lines up with that hole. Two holes right there go to the light. That one right there is just for show. After that bracket's in place, go ahead and put your light in. Other YouTubers will put the light in first, then put the bracket in, but I'm working from the front, the back of the car. They're usually working under the car, so if you're doing it like this, it's completely fine. Just make sure that everything lines up, all the bolts go in. So either way you can do it. So once you got everything plugged in, you can plug in this plug now to hold it in place. You can also zip tie it down somewhere. If you want, you can also run some electrical tape around the wire on the bottom so nothing gets damaged from any water. Also, if you have a metal prime bar, it's also okay to use that as well. Most of the, depends on your year of car. Mine's a 2019, fairly new. It only has 17,000 miles on it. I bought it at 8,000 miles. So depending on how old your car is, the clips might be a little more fragile. It depends on how old your car is. I know I've had that problem with my other cars. So this is what it looks like on the car. So before anyone makes fun of me, I do have the CVT transmission for the WRX. Just a preference when we bought the car at the time. My wife had a blob eye that was manual, so she kind of didn't want to get into the manual, especially because she has a Miata that's manual, so she's kind of not tired of it, but you know, she wants to drive something else. We do have our Z that's not manual either. And my TC, that's also not manual either. So yeah, we decided just to go with this one. It has heated seats. It's a premium WRX. All right, it doesn't have the big brakes or anything like that. It does have the electric parking brake. Other than that, you know, it has the all the safety features on it. So that's what we really wanted because of our son. Well, that's the install. Like I said, very easily. Honestly, you probably could have done it in like 20 minutes, maybe less. But very, very simple. The only thing else I have done on the car is the catback exhaust that you guys probably saw underneath, the INVIDIA N1. And then I have the Perrin cold air intake. I also have brakes from R1 Concepts that I run on all my cars. I just haven't installed them yet because I don't want to waste brake pads on here. Same thing with wheels. I have some wheels that I want to put on, but I just don't want to waste the tire on here either. So hopefully soon all that will be done. I do have the STI wing that I want to put on. I just need to get it paint matched. Besides that, more to come. I do want to buy the taillights as well as the headlights. Same thing for the hood and the fenders. As all my other cars do have a hood and the fenders. I'll probably do a little preview right now. Sorry for the dirty car. It just rained today, so I wanted to get this done as soon as possible. But I'll show you the other cars right now.